So in this video, we're going to talk about our lumbrical grip or our lumbrical strength. They're little muscles that are inside of the hand, in between the metacarpal shafts in the hand here. They allow us to do this movement here. So essentially we can keep our fingers straight without keeping this joint of the knuckles straight here. So we can actually get a bend at the fingers without bending the tips of our fingers. So essentially all we do to practice this is hand flat on the table, okay? And the whole point is that we're going to make this distance shorter. But what we're not going to do, we're not going to bend our fingers. So all we're doing is we're lifting essentially from our knuckles. So we keep our wrist on the table, our fingers flat on the table as well, and we're going to try and drag the table towards us, but keeping the fingers straight. So you can see my hand comes into this nice tented position here, and then you relax down. Again, as simple as that. So up and down, keep it nice and controlled. If we show you from that angle, you can see my fingers are staying straight there, but you're getting a nice tenting, so underneath the hand, it's a really clear gap, but the wrist is still in contact with the table and the fingertips are still in contact with the table, so we're getting the resistance in those lumbrical muscles in the hand. In order to make this a bit more feedback, so you can actually see what you're doing, you can actually also add some tissue underneath the fingertips here, and actually then you can pull on the tissue, or a small hand towel, or just anything that you can then unroll up, for example, if you need a bit more feedback. You can also use your other hand to kind of guide the movement if you're not quite sure initially, but the aim is to get it doing it on its own and then also practicing on both sides as well.